In today's video, I am going to be reviewing this palette. This is the new palette from Chanel, and this is part of their Golden Hour Summer collection. So this is pretty much all I got in the collection, but you're going to see me apply it. I'm actually going to do an eye look for you too as well, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. If I like it, is it worth it? Let's get into the video. The new blush highlighter from Chanel. This is part of their Golden Hour collection. So I've actually been playing around with it, and this is the third time I've filmed a video because I've had some technical difficulties. You're going to see that what it looks like after I've used it several times, that you see what it looks like brand new. I made sure that I took video of that first. Thank goodness. One thing is I want to point this out. I love this on the velvet case, but wouldn't it have been cool if they did the packaging like this for a change? I know Beiges is the packaging with that looks like this, but oh my gosh, that would have been amazing. So this is what the palette looks like, and I love it. I love it. So I've been wearing this as a blush, and this is a highlighter. And I started my video out too by saying blush and highlighter. It doesn't really say blush and highlighter. I'm going to tell you what it says. Powder Lumiere Healthy Golden Glow Powder. That's what it says. Eclat du Sieur. And I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm going to show you. Please don't correct me. Please don't correct me. It's going to be okay. Don't look at my fingernails. I just did my makeup. So here we go. If you guys have the recent collection, the Camellia collection, you're going to love this. I'm actually going to do a look on one eye with it so you can see the whole look together. But I feel like these two shades, the blush and this pinky eyeshadow, were made to be together. I mean, look how beautiful. I know you're looking at the gold and all that, but I'm telling you, it looks amazing together. You're going to see. I'm going to wear it. I really like this. I know I saw somebody recently that just purchased it and they just felt like it was kind of well, like meh. But you know what? I don't have a color like this, and it's so pretty. I love that. It almost looks wet. You're going to see when I put it on. It kind of has a wet look to it. It has micro sparkles, if you will. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what it looks like. But unless you're in my face, I'm not going to be in the sun, you're going to see glitter. It's not like that. I promise you it's not. It's just so pretty. Then if you have the blush from the Camellia collection, I think these work really well together too, personally. I do. You know, you can use this as a highlighter on top of that kind of a thing. So if you have those, I think you're going to really like this. So I'm going to do this first so you can see what it looks like, and then I'm going to do the eye look for you as a little bonus, because it's going to be definitely different. I'm pretty sure it's different than what I did last time, because I feel like I put the pink down here. We're going to move it up a little bit. There's more to this collection. There's an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to insert some of the photos of what else they have in this collection. And these are from Erin Nicole TV, and I watermarked it too. So if you want to see her review on this, you can check it out. She was actually able to go in person and swatch it. I purchased mine from Neiman Marcus, and this is all they had, and I actually got the last one left. I kind of wanted to get ahead of time so I can kind of play around with it before I came out and reviewed it for you guys. I don't like to just always do like a first impression. I really wanted to play around with it so I could really tell you if I like it or not, and I love it. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this a lot this summer, a lot. So they have two polishes. I think it's launching. I may put this out. I may be putting this out really soon. I'm filming this on Wednesday. I may put this out on Sunday because I think it's launching on Tuesday. According to what I've seen online, that's supposed to be April 29th, and I think that's Tuesday. I'm not in front of a calendar right now, but I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to probably put it out early so you guys can kind of get a heads up on it if you're interested in it. I really like this collection. I feel like it's definitely a me collection. So they have two polishes. They have a red polish, and they have the one that's more yellow. It's kind of like, looks like a frosted one. I think it's really, really pretty. So I think I'm going to get that. Which I know you're probably like, girl, every time I see you in your videos, you don't wear polish. I do wear it. It's just that sometimes I'm like, I'm going to film today. And then sometimes it's on days before I do my cleaning, and then I don't have any polish on. But I'll tell you right now, I have it on my toes. I will be wearing it on my toes. And so it makes me happy, so I probably will end up getting one of the polishes. I really, really like their polishes. I've told you guys that it lasts on me more than other polishes have lasted on me. So, yeah. So I really like their polishes. Um, so they have that. They have an eyeshadow palette that's really, really pretty, but I've been told that it doesn't say that that's limited edition, so it's gonna be part of it. I do like it, but I wanna think about that. I'm not sure because I feel like I have so many colors like that. They also have some lippies too, some cocoa, it's a cocoa balm, I believe it's like this. They also it looks like they're Rouge Cocoa Flash, I believe that's what they are, and there's, I think, 4 colors that we're gonna see from Erin swatching them. I may get one of those. I think one of them's called Sunset or something like that. It's more corally. I think I'm gonna pick that up. And, I'm trying to think of what else because I don't have it in front of me right now. I think that's it. I think that's all that's part of it. It's not a really big collection, but damn, they've been, like, releasing a lot of stuff lately. It's like, calm down. Price on it is the password is $75. Okay? That's what it is. It's 75. And don't even get me started on it. It's Chanel. If it keeps going up, I may just be like, no, pretty soon, but we'll see how it goes. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get in here. And I've been kind of sweeping it this way so I can sort of keep that design, but it is starting to go away. But I have used it several times. But look at this color. We put some more. Hold on. Believe me, you're going to see it. Like, girl, I don't see anything. When I filmed yesterday, I put way too much out and was like, oh Lord, have to be careful. It is so pretty. Now I have glare. Let's do it on the other cheek so you can see. I wish I could get my lighting straight. Lighting is so tricky, especially when you're in a little room like me. See how pretty that is? I mean, look at that. So pretty. I want to make sure I don't have too much on. I think that's good. I think I might just put a little bit more and then we're going to stop because I'm telling you, I put so much on yesterday. I was like, oh, we should have stopped. See how it glows? You don't even really have to use a highlighter with this, but I'm going to use the highlighter so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I like to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to take some. You don't even need much. You don't because it's already so glowy. But it's really pretty because it kind of gives a nice wet look. I really like it. I think it is so pretty, and it looks prettier in person, even honestly, than under my lights. It's just so pretty. So let me zoom you in really quickly so you can see what this looks like. So you can see what it looks like. I mean, it doesn't look like glitter. It's just so pretty. Super easy to do. Let me show you. Taking a fluffy brush, going in with that pink shadow right there. And we're going to go right above our crease. And I just kind of build it up to where I get the color I want. And I'll probably go in and use a little bit more than that. Then I take this angle brush from BK Beauty. I'm going to go into that shadow right there. And then we're going to just bring that in. Do a little bit more. Then I'm going to go back and take a little bit more of that pink. Like that. And now we're just going to blend it. I need to get a mirror so I can see what I'm actually doing. So make sure both sides are even. Then I'm going to go in and take this shadow. I'm going to take this shadow right here. And I'm going to apply that. I kind of like to build it up a little bit. I already did my tight line, so now I'm going to go in and use my smudger brush. I'm going to actually dip into a brown shadow. Doesn't matter what brown shadow. And I'm going to go and take that taupey color, because the reason I'm doing that, and you could even use a gray shadow, I'm just using something with a little bit of depth, because it's just not enough for me, the taupey. And I don't put mascara on my lower lashes. So I just need a little something there, you know, I need a little something, something. So now I'm just going to lightly blend it out like that. So make sure I'm even on both sides. Looks like I am. Told you it's going to be really quickity quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Apply my mascara. And I'm going to show you my lip combo after I come back. I'm just going to go ahead and fix my hair really quick. And then I'm going to show you my lip combo, and then we will wrap this up. So this is my final look. I'm going to zoom you in again, but let's do the lipstick. So I think I'm actually going to go in, and I'm going to use this lip liner. This is from Laura Mercier. I like her lip liners, by the way. I don't think I've talked about them. This is in the shade Elegant Blush. It's a good color. Now I'm going to go in with something that you're going to hear about soon in another video, so I'm not going to talk much about it, but I'm going to go in with Besame Portrait Pink. I'm so tempted to use this one. Should we do it? Let's just do it. Ooh. Yeah, it just gives it a little bit of a shimmer. I like that. Hopefully I didn't make it too nude, did I? I don't like nude lips. Let me fix it. I don't think I like that, actually. I like it, but I don't. You know what would make me like it more? A different lip liner. I'm going to go in with Vive Stupid Cupid. And I think I'll like it more. I just need a little bit more color. That's better. Yeah. Even another one would be even better than this. Would he supersize me? But that, look at how that made it. That's better. Yeah. Otherwise it looks like, I like to have a little bit more definition on my lips, because otherwise I feel like they just get lost on my face. You know what I mean? It's like, where'd they go? That is a really pretty combo. Now I'm going to go back and put just a tiny bit more of the gold on, because I kind of blotted it. That's much better. I love that lip liner, but it just didn't work for this look. So let me zoom you in so you can see what everything looks like. So you can see it doesn't look sparkly. And there's my eyeshadow and lips and all of that. I really like this a lot, personally, because like I said, I didn't have anything like this. So if you have colors like this, then take a skip on it. You know, just take a skip on it. I just thought it was so pretty. You know, it'd be fun to do too, and I have not done this. I wonder what it would look like if I had a little bit of that gold on my eyelid. Should I try it for you guys? I haven't done that. Let me see what that would look like. I hope I don't ruin my luck, because I do like it, but let me just... Oh, that is really pretty. I'm going to put some on this side. Wow, that's really, really pretty. Now that is pretty. Look at it, just kind of changed it a little bit, but I like it. I'm actually going to go in for shits and giggles, and let's add a little bit more. Let's see if I can build that up a little bit more too, using this. Let's see what happens if I just kind of go. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. So I really like this. There's another shade in it. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's more of a corally kind of a color, a little bit deeper. I think it would be better for skin tones a little bit deeper than mine. This is just so pretty. I just really love it. It's glowy, but not too much. It's really luminous, but not too much. It just looks really, really pretty. It's really a beautiful palette. I just love this. I really honestly wish they would have made this in a bigger palette. I do, because I feel like I'm using a lot, and I hope that I hope I don't hit pan on it soon because I really love it. I feel like these colors are just meant for me. So that is where I'm going to leave it. Let me know in the comments, are you thinking of getting this palette, or are you thinking about getting anything from this collection, or is it a total pass for you? Let me know in the comments. Would love to hear from you. And if you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I share a new video every Sunday and Wednesday. And if you've enjoyed your time with me today, and I really hope that you did, please make sure you like, share, comment. Helps to push my videos out to the algorithm. Would greatly, greatly appreciate your help on that. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.